This lesson is on how to create a document and change the settings of those documents, and then also saving the document, okay? Okay, so now to open up a new document, you would just go to File, New. And for this particular document, we said we're going to be working with 12 by 18, and it's going to be 12 width and 18th height so that it's a portrait composition. The resolution we're going to be working with is 150, and we're going to be working in RGB color mode, not because RGB is what you would do for print, but just so that we don't lose any of the quality and so that we're able to use all of our filters. We use RGB. Now, in theory, once you're done working with all of your documents, you can turn them into CMYK for print. It's just that RGB has the capacity to do more cool things with effects and stuff, so we're just going to leave it on RGB, but ultimately, if something's going to go to print, you have to convert this to CMYK, okay? Now, in terms of the resolution, I kind of skipped over this. In terms of the resolution, you want to make sure that you understand that 150 is what we use for this project, but if this was really a poster for print, your optimum resolution would be 300, okay, pixels per inch, okay? The background, we're just going to leave it white. That means that when our canvas pops up, it's going to be white, and then we're just going to leave these settings alone, okay? We're going to go ahead and hit OK. And you should come up with a document that's set up like this, okay? Now I'm going to go into my image here, and I'm going to go to image size, and I'm just going to verify that my document size here is 12 by 18, 150 resolution. And then if it's so, then it means you did it correctly. If it's not, then you want to probably close out that document and redo it again, or change the document settings here, okay? So I'm going to hit OK. That's fine. Now what you want to do is remember to save your document. You want to go to File, Save As. You want to go ahead and put that in your desktop in your save folder, okay? Okay. You want to name your document. And you want to make sure that it's Photoshop, okay, so that it ends in PSD. It's important. And then you just want to click inside your save folder, inside your I led Garcia, don't delete, and then hit save. Okay. Now notice this is if you're creating it from scratch, but what I recommend is that you go onto the website and download the template, which we'll discuss later. Okay. But this is just when you're practicing with stuff, this is what you want to do. All right. So we want to go ahead and close out of that when you're done. And that concludes your lesson on how to create and save a document. If you have any questions, iled@hawaii.edu or 808-343-9565.